will be making for you today crackers pudding. A Jamaican crackers pudding. Alright, and these are the crackers. 2 packs of Excelsior water crackers, fat free. Salted sweet cream butter. Gonna generously butter the crackers as you see there. Buttering all the crackers. And here we have to be added to the coconut milk mixture. Teaspoons of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon salt and 2 teaspoons grated nutmeg. And this is 5 cups of coconut milk, homemade coconut milk. Adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And also you're gonna have 2 cups of brown sugar. We're now adding the spices to the coconut milk mix and the brown sugar. Combine all those ingredients and stir very well. Remember these, the buttered crackers. Now we're about to pour the coconut milk mixture into the bowl, and we're gonna pour it in and use it to soak the crackers. How long will you be soaking it, mother? What are you looking at? Okay, people, it is properly soaked now. I'm not sure if you can see it well. It's all swollen up. So we have greased up. And we are ready to assemble the crackers pudding. This is 2 cups of raisins that have been soaked in wine. This is the first layer of crackers, and you're gonna put a layer of raisins. Now putting the second layer of crackers.
You have to turn.
Make sure that they're placed facing upward. Layer of crackers complete. Now adding the second layer of raisins. Packed as you can. See how soft and malleable the crackers are now that they have been soaked. Third layer completed. And another layer of raisins. The last. Adding some of the leftover liquid. And the oven has been preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And waiting for this lovely mixture of things. Now in the oven. And 40 minutes later, and this is the finished product, guys. Thanks for watching.